Hello everyone, welcome to class. We will get started in a few seconds. Make sure that you change your name to your English name or your pinyin. Thank you. Oh, never mind. Okay, let's get started. Welcome to today's Building Bridges class. Today's teachers are going to be me, Estelle, and Emily.
Okay, so last week's homework was what is your favorite habitat? So Mary, what's your favorite habitat? Mary, can you hear me?
Yes. My favorite habitat is I didn't have my favorite habitat.
Oh wait, Emily, did you call in Marin or Mary? They have such
Mary.
similar names.
I know.
Oh, I think Emily asked Mary with a Y. So, Marin, we'll have you answer later. So, this time is for Mary.
Okay, Mary, can you repeat what you said?
I didn't have
Okay.
Wait, Marin, can you say that again? I didn't hear you.
I didn't have first habitat.
Oh. Well, which one do you like the most out of tundra, aquatic, what else did we learn? Desert. Wait, I'll show you a picture. Marin, do you like tundra, desert, or aquatic? Hello, Marin?
I love tundra animals.
Tundra. That's a good one. I like that one too. Okay, Emily, do you want to call on more people now?
Sure. Okay. Alyssa, can you tell us what your favorite habitat is?
My favorite is red fox.
Do you like tundra or desert or aquatic?
I like the grassland.
We're going to talk about the grassland today.
Okay. I think the grassland has very cool animals in it. Okay. Okay. Li Xinze, can you tell us about your favorite habitat?
My favorite habitat is aquatic. Aquatic.
Ooh, I also like aquatic animals too because they live in the ocean. So I think that's pretty unique. Yes. Okay. Kevin, can you tell us about your favorite habitat?
Kevin, can you hear us? Hello, Kevin? Okay, let's move on.
Okay. Mark, can you tell us about your favorite habitat? Mark, you're muted.
It's shark.
Okay. The shark? So you like aquatic animals? Or the aquatic habitat? Okay. That's cool, I guess. Okay. Mary, can you tell us about your favorite habitat?
My favorite habitat is desert.
The desert? Okay. I think that's very cool, and it's really hot there, so I don't think I would like that place very much, but it's still very cool. Okay. Michael, can you tell us about your favorite habitat? Michael, can you hear us? Okay.
My favorite. Oh.
Sorry, could you say that again? Michael, can you hear us? Okay, we're gonna move on. Okay, Zhang Chun, can you tell us about your favorite habitat?
My favorite is bush.
Aquatic?
Yes.
Okay. I also like aquatic animals, like I said before. I think that's a very good choice. Thank you. I think that's everyone.
Yeah. Let's move on to our conversation today. Today's conversation is, what's your favorite animal in the tundra, desert, or aquatic ecosystem? So here's all the animals that we talked about last week. I think my favorite animal is my favorite animal is this dolphin. What about you, Emily?
I like the polar bear because it's fluffy.
Such a great choice. Mary with a Y. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is otter.
Otter?
Yes, I think it's very cute.
Yeah, otters are very, very cute. Okay, Marin, what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is snowy owl because snowy owl is white.
Snowy owls are a very beautiful animal. Alyssa, what is your favorite animal?
I like the red fox because it was beautiful.
Yeah, red foxes are so beautiful. Foxes are such an interesting animal. Mark, what is your favorite animal?
I think it's coyote.
Could you say that again?
Yes, that's it. Coyote.
Oh, coyote. Oh, can you try saying coyote?
Coyote.
Yeah, that's right. Good job. I know there's a few coyotes that live in my area, so that's pretty cool. Okay.
Yes, and it's shrunk.
Did you say that they are shrunk?
he said they're strong.
Oh, yeah, coyotes are very strong. I agree. Li Xinjia, what is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is wild yak.
I'm trying to find that here. Could you please say that
The
again?
wild yak.
Oh,
The wild yak.
I see. Sorry. The wild yak is such an interesting animal. Why do you like the wild yak, Li Xinjia?
Wild yak is big.
That's right. Wild yaks are very big. Oh, hi, Jack. Welcome to class. We're doing the homework right now. So, Jack, what's your favorite
We're
animal
doing the
here?
conversation.
Oh, sorry. I guess we can do the conversation for you too, Jack. So, Jack, do you want to answer this question? What's your... Oh, wait, this is the conversation, sorry. Jack, what's your favorite animal in the tundra, desert, or aquatic ecosystem? So, any animal here. I think... Oh, just kidding. Jack, we can't hear you. You're on mute.
I think my favorite animal is probably the snake.
The snake. Why do you like the snake?
Because I think it looks like very cool and very invisible on.
Yeah, they're very cool and very visible. Let's see, who else is there? Oh, Zhang Chuncheng, what is your favorite animal here?
My favorite animal is the polar bear.
Polar bears. What an interesting choice, just like Emily. Thank you, Zhang Chuncheng. How about Kevin? Kevin, what is your favorite animal? Kevin, can you hear us now?
My favorite animal is shark.
Shark. What a nice choice. Sharks are very nice animals. And Michael, what is your favorite animal here? Michael? Hello? Michael, can you hear us? Oh, hi, Michael. Michael, what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dolphin.
I really like dolphins too. That's really nice, Michael. Thank you everyone for answering this homework. And also, Zhang Chuncheng, Kevin, and Michael, can you guys please turn on your cameras? And if you can't, that's okay, but it would be really nice if you could turn them on. Thank you.
Okay, so this week we are learning about animal habitats. Okay, so the first one that we will be learning about is the rainforest. So the rainforest is an area of tall and mostly evergreen trees, and it has a high amount of rainfall. It's very hot and humid, and the average temperature in the rainforest is about 28 degrees Celsius, which is pretty hot. So, rainforests are found in the tropics, which is the region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, which is just above and below the equator. Rainforests are full of biodiversity, and that means that there's lots of different species of plants and animals that live here. Okay, Alyssa, do you know any rainforests in this world?
Mm, I don't.
You don't? That's okay. There's, like, for example, there's a rainforest in South America called the Amazon rainforest, which has like one of the longest rivers, I think, in the world. So yeah. Mark, do you know any rainforests?
Yamasun.
Oh, is that one in Asia or in China?
Rainforest in the world.
I think he
Wow,
said
that's great.
Yamashin,
Oh, I don't know.
the Amazon
Okay.
rainforest.
Oh.
That's the one that you were talking about.
Well, I don't really know the Chinese name for it because I don't talk about it in Chinese, but yeah, that's
Oh.
cool.
I think the English name for that is Amazon rainforest.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Okay. That's cool. Okay.
Here are some animals that live in the rainforest. Mary, can you name any of these animals?
Tiger.
Tiger, yeah. Do you know any other animals? Sorry. Mary, do you know any other animals that are not tiger?
Monkey, frogs, elephant.
Yeah. Tiger, monkey, frog, elephant. Good job. You named a lot of animals. So, this is a gorilla and this is a cassowary. All these animals look super cool.
Okay, so the animals that live in the rainforest. So one of them would be the red-eyed tree frog. And this frog is carnivorous, which means that it mostly eats like animals, like meat, and it eats insects. So yeah. And its bright colors allow it to confuse predators. Their toes have sticky pads that help the animal stick to leaves and branches. They aren't poisonous, and they hide their colors when sleeping. Marin, do you like to eat meat?
Yes, I like to eat meat.
What's your favorite kind of meat, Marin?
My favorite kind of meat is beef.
Ooh, beef. I also like beef. That's probably one of my favorites. Thank you. Li Xingze, do you like to eat meat?
Yes, I like eat meat.
What's your favorite type of meat?
I like eat beef beef meat.
Ooh, I also like beef. Beef is very good. Thank you. Okay.
Another animal in the rainforest is the Bengal tiger. Bengal tigers eat antelopes, boars, monkeys, pigs, birds, and sometimes elephants. Wow. They are one of the largest cats in the world. They are very strong and fast. Tiger cubs, which are tiger babies, are born blind. They like to hunt at night. A group of tigers are called an ambush or a streak. Question: do you like tigers? So let's see. Jack, do you like tigers?
Nope, because I think they look very scary.
Yeah, they do look pretty scary. Zhang Chuncheng, do you like tigers?
Yes,
Why do you like tigers?
because it's strong.
Tigers are very strong. Good answer.
Okay, so the next habitat we're learning about today is the grassland. So this is a place where it has large open areas of grass with some trees. It doesn't rain a lot in the grasslands, so it is pretty dry. There are two main types of grasslands, the temperate grasslands and savannas. A lot of grasslands are in Africa and America. A lot of animals live in grasslands so that they can eat the grass. Mark, what kind of animals live in grasslands?
Elephants and lions.
Yes, that is correct. Good job. Kevin, can you name any other animals that live in grasslands? Kevin, can you hear us? Okay, moving on. Jack, what kind of, do you know any other animals that might live in the grassland?
Ox, sheep, leopard.
Wow, you named a lot. I think those are all animals that live in the grassland too.
Here are some of the grassland animals. So, Zhang Chuncheng, can you name any of these animals?
Elephant,
Elephant,
fox,
fox,
giraffe,
giraffe,
lamb,
lion. What about these three?
is well,
Do you
sorry.
know these? Oh, sorry. Can you say that again? Hello? Sorry. Can you say that again, please?
Sorry, I don't know.
Oh, do you know any of these three animals? Do you know these animals' names? It's okay if you don't. We will go over them. Okay. Well, this is a fox, this is a bison, this is a zebra, this is an elephant, this is a giraffe, this is a cheetah, and this is a lion. And all of these animals live in the grassland.
Okay, so one of the animals that lives in the grassland is an elephant. There are two kinds of elephants, African elephants and Asian elephants. African elephants are the biggest land animal in the world. Wow, that is so cool. Did you know that every day elephants can spend 18 hours eating? They usually eat leaves and grass. Their tusks are actually big teeth. They have thick skin and are very smart animals. Alyssa, do you want tusks like an elephant?
No, I don't.
Why not?
Because I want don't like the
You don't like them? Do you not like the way that they look?
yes.
I agree. I think that they would be very heavy too, so it'd be very hard to have on your face. Okay, Marin, do you want tusks like an elephant?
I didn't want the tusk because the tusk is heavy and big.
Yes, I agree. If we had tusks on our face, we'd be like looking down every time because of how heavy they are. Okay, Kevin, do you want tusks like an elephant? Kevin, can you hear us? Okay. Mary, do you want tusks like an elephant?
No, I don't.
Why not? Mary,
I don't
can
like
you-
elephants.
Oh, you don't like elephants? Oh, that's okay too. Some people might not like the way that they look, and that's totally fine.
Another animal that lives in the grasslands is lions. Lions are a type of big cat. Lions are so fast that they can run up to 81 kilometers an hour. Lions usually live in groups of 10 to 15. Lions eat meat. They will hunt other animals like zebras. Did you know you can hear a lion roar from 8 kilometers away? Female lions hunt, while male lions protect the group. Question for Marin. Have you ever heard the sound of a lion?
Yes, I heard the sound of the lion in the zoo.
Oh, wow. It's very nice. Did you like going to the zoo?
Yes, I like.
Nice. Did you like seeing the lions?
I like it.
Cool. Lions are a pretty neat animal. Alyssa, have you ever heard the sound of a lion?
Yes, I have hear you hear the sound of the lion in the zoo too.
Did you like seeing lions in the zoo?
Yes, I like.
Nice. Did you like going to the zoo?
No.
No? Why not?
Because oh, I will never do my homework.
Oh, you like doing your homework more than going to the zoo? Alyssa, did you say that you like doing your homework more than going to the zoo?
Uh,
Wow, what a good student. Let's ask one more person. Mark, have you ever heard the sound of a lion?
Yes, I have.
Was it also in a zoo?
Yes, in the zoo.
Did you like going to the zoo?
Uh, yes, I like.
Why'd you like going to the zoo?
2 years ago.
Oh, you went 2 years ago. That's cool. So, why did you like going?
There are too many elephants, and I like elephants, so I always going to that.
Elephants are such a great animal. I'm glad you can see them in the zoo.
Okay, the next habitat, well, it's not really a habitat, but anyways, the next place we're going to be talking about are cities. So recently, there has been a rapid growth of cities around the world. These environments are usually made up of many buildings and skyscrapers. Thousands of people live in a single city, so there are many cars, lights, and noises. 55% of the world's population live in cities. Li Xinze, have you ever visited or lived in a city?
No, I haven't.
That's cool. You've never visited a city?
Uh,
Like,
uh,
have you ever
I,
went on vacation?
I have visited all of the in Beijing，
Oh.
只是住过2天。
Oh, okay. So you've lived in Beijing for 2 days?
Yes.
That's very cool. I also went to Beijing before. It was very hot in the summer. Thank you. Zhang Chuncheng, have you ever visited or lived in a city? Zhang Chuncheng, can you hear us?
啥？
Have you ever visited or lived in a city? Do you understand what this question is asking you?
不会。
No? Okay, so
Yes.
this, oh yes? So can you answer the question, please? Oh, you have visited and lived in a city before?
Alright.
Okay, that's very cool. Thank you. Marin, have you ever visited or lived in a city?
Yes, I live in a city. I live in Beijing.
Oh, you live in Beijing too? That's very cool. They have lots of cars there. And yeah, I already said this, but it was really hot when I went there. So yeah.
Here are some animals that all live in the city. So let's see. Alyssa, do you know any of these animals?
Um, I don't know. The mouse.
Oh, yeah. It looks really similar to a mouse, but it is actually called a rat. I think there's lots of rats that like to live in the city. So, do you know the names of any other animals? It's okay if you don't know their English name. No? Well, that's okay. You can ask Mark. Mark, can you name any of the animals that aren't the rat?
I just know the mouse.
Oh, that's okay. Let's see. This is called a pigeon. This is a rat. This is a crow. This is a raccoon. And this is a squirrel.
Okay, so one of the animals that live in a city are pigeons. And city pigeons are scavengers, so that they eat insects, fruits, and even leftover human foods. Female pigeons usually have less brightly colored feathers than male pigeons. Pigeons are well adapted to the city because they are similar to the cliffs they live in the wild. Pigeons are very good at navigation and they mate for life. And they also have really good hearing. So the question on this slide is, do you have good hearing? Personally, I don't have good hearing because I'm in band, so I'm practically deaf. Yes. Okay, Jack, do you have good hearing?
No.
What makes you think you don't have good hearing?
Because every time my mom was at home, I didn't hear a thing at all.
Oh, that's me sometimes too. It's okay. Thank you. Michael, do you have good hearing? Michael, can you hear us? Okay.
Yes.
Yes? Okay, that's
Yes.
cool. That's very good. It's nice to know that you have good hearing. Thank you. Mary, do you have good hearing?
Yes, I do.
That's very good. Good job for saving your ears. Okay.
Another animal that lives in the city are raccoons. For food, raccoons like rummage through trash can. They eat cat or dog food, vegetables, fruits, and insects. Raccoons have a sharp sense of smell. They have nimble hands, which is useful for opening doors and containers. Raccoons are very smart. Raccoons are nocturnal. Raccoons are very fast. The question for Zhang Chuncheng: how fast are you? This could be like walking or running.
Um, mouse.
Oh, you said mouse?
Yes.
Okay, well, that's cool. But the question I asked is, how fast are you? So, Zhang Chuncheng, when you run, do you think you are fast or slow? Or maybe okay, like in the middle?
嗯，第三个咋？
Oh, I was asking how fast are you? So, 你跑得快吗？
Yes 啊
Good for you. Good job. So, how about Kevin? Kevin, how fast are you?
，Yes 啊
Oh, this time I asked Kevin to answer. But thank you, Zhang Chuncheng. You did good. So, Kevin, how fast are you? Do you think you're fast or slow? Kevin, can you hear me?
Okay, I can.
Oh, okay. So, do you think you're fast, Kevin?
No.
No? Well, that's okay too. Now let's go over this week's homework. This week's homework is if you were an animal, what animal would you be? And what habitat would you live in? So, next week we will ask everyone this question. So, please come prepared.
Okay, this week's game is Guess Who.
Do you want to
I don't
explain
know how to
this?
play. I don't know how to play this game.
Okay, I can explain this game. So, one person, we can say me for this time. I will think of an animal in my head, and then everyone else will try to guess my animal. And you have to ask me questions about my animal. And I can only say yes or no. So, you can only ask me questions I can say yes or no to. And if I say no, oh, something happened. Sorry. Okay. Okay, we're back. Can you see my screen? Yes? Okay. Where was I? Sorry. Okay. I will think of an animal and then you will ask me questions. So, say you asked me, is your animal pink? And then I say, no. So then you can look for pink animals. If this animal's pink, you can X it out. Because you asked me, is this animal pink? I said no. So we will cross out animals that are pink. Okay. Oh, Jack, are you raising your hand? Did you have something to say?
So can I play this game first?
Sure. We love volunteers. So you by playing you mean being the one with the animal, right? And we will ask you questions. Okay, great. So Jack, do you have an animal in mind? Great. So, okay, I think I can ask you the first question. Jack, does your animal eat meat?
Yes.
Yes, your animal eats meat. So, since Jack's animal eats meat, I will X animals that do not eat meat. Let's see. Which animals do not eat meat? Hedgehog, elephant, pigeon, squirrel, pig. What other animals don't eat meat? Let's see. Sheep. Yeah, sheep don't eat meat. And turtles. And penguins. Actually, do penguins eat fish? Or like shrimp? I'm not completely
I
sure.
think they do.
Okay, so maybe we should keep penguin then, if penguins eat shrimp. Yeah. And I think rhinoceros eat plants. Anything else? I think seals eat some type of fish or animal too, right?
Wait, do pandas eat meat?
I mean, I know they eat bamboo for sure, but do they eat meat as well?
I don't know. I thought they only eat bamboo.
I don't know. Can you Google it?
Okay, give me a second.
Okay. I think pandas might be omnivores.
Yeah, they're almost entirely vegetarian, but they sometimes eat small rodents.
Oh, so they do eat meat sometimes.
Yeah.
So maybe we should keep panda then. What else?
Mhm.
Do badgers eat meat? I'm not really sure.
I
I-
Maybe. How
Are they
about
like
mouse? Do mouse?
Oh, I only know about cheese. What do mice
You know what?
eat?
It's okay. We can keep it.
We can keep it just in case.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's ask someone else to ask a question. Mary, do you want to ask Jack a question about his animal? So you can ask Jack any question, but he can only say yes or no.
Is it black?
Hey Jack, is your animal black?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sort of.
Sort of. Interesting. Hey Mary, since Jack said no, well, wait, he said yes, right? He said yes, his animal is black. So, Mary, can you help me? Can you tell me which animals are not black?
Dog, seal, cat, tiger,
Whoa,
owl,
whoa, that is very
bear,
fast. What did you say after dog?
seal,
Seal. Okay. Seal.
cat.
Cat. Where's the cat? Oh, I see it. Oh. Mary. Could you say that again, please? Lion?
Yes.
Okay. Any more animals that are not black? Mouse. Right. Shark. Mary, do you see any more animals that are not black? Oops. That's it. Okay, I think we did good. Marin, can you ask Jack a question about his animal? Wow, we only have badger, panda, and
Oh,
penguin.
wet.
Could you say that again, please, Marin?
Your animals eat wet.
Jack, do you have an answer to Marin's question? Is your animal white?
Yes.
Yes, it is white. So, Marin, can you tell me which animals here are not white? Oh, I think Jack just crossed it off.
Pig.
Yeah, good job, Marin. That's right. Alyssa, can you ask the next question?
Is your animal big?
Jack?
Um,
I couldn't really hear what you said. Could you say that again, please?
nope.
Oh, so you said no, your animal's not big? I think he said no. So, crossed out panda, okay. Who's next to ask a question? Mark! Can you ask Jack a question about his animal?
They lived in the forest.
No.
No. Mark, which animal lives in the forest? Or Jack crossed off. Okay. Wow, we only have one animal left. So, Jack, is your animal a penguin?
Yes.
Yay! Good job, everyone. We got it. We're so good at this game. Okay, great job, everyone. So, does anyone else want to guess, or does anyone else want to choose an animal? Alyssa, are you raising your hand? Yes. Oh, I see Michael's raising his hand too. I think I saw Alyssa's hand first, though. Maybe next time. Alyssa can go first. Alyssa, do you know which animal you want? Okay, great. Emily, do you want to call on people this time? I think we left off on Li Xinzhe.
Okay. Li Xingze, is there a question you want to ask Alyssa about her animal?
Uh, this animal is a quiet animal.
Is this animal an aquatic animal?
Yes.
Okay. Alyssa, is your animal an aquatic animal? Uh-oh. Estelle? Okay, never mind. Alyssa, can you answer the question, please?
No.
Oh, it's not an aquatic animal. Okay. So, Li Xingze, can you help us choose which animals are not aquatic animals?
Wait, Emily, I think she said it's not an aquatic animal.
Yeah.
You would cross out
the-
animals that are aquatic.
Oh. I literally don't know how to play this game, but okay. Li Xingze, can you help us cross out animals that are aquatic so they live in the ocean?
If you don't know how to draw on the screen, it's okay. You can say the names of the animals and I can cross them out for you. So, Li Xinzhe, please tell us which animals here are aquatic animals.
Mm.
Li Xinzhe, do you see any aquatic animals?
Yes.
Which ones are aquatic?
Uh,
Maybe shark?
shark.
Shark, right. Do you see any more animals? Any other aquatic animals?
Seal,
Seal, right.
penguin,
Penguin. Yeah, good job. I see one more.
uh,
There's one more aquatic animal.
I don't know, I don't know,
Oh, well, I think it's a turtle. Here.
turtle.
Yeah, good job, Li Xinzhe. Okay, Emily, do you want to continue asking people?
Okay. Did we ask Mary? I think we did. Michael, do you want to ask Alyssa the next question? Michael, can you hear us?
Is the
Okay.
animals is the animals black?
Is the animal
Mm.
black?
No.
Okay. So let's cross out the animals that are black, right? Okay. Michael, which animals are not black? I mean, which animals are black? Wait, now I'm confused.
Yeah, you asked them which animals are black.
Yeah, which animals are black? Michael, can you please tell us which animals are black? Okay, I'm just gonna choose someone else.
I think Jack already
Mary.
called all of them out.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, wait. Okay. Yes, I think he already crossed them out. Okay. Mary, would you like to ask a question to Alyssa?
It's brown.
Is it brown?
No.
Okay, so Mary, let's choose the animals that are brown.
I think Jack is too fast for us.
Yeah.
Red. Oh, bear. Deer.
Could you say that again? Okay. Marin, would you like to ask the next question?
Yeah. Do animals are big?
No.
The animal is not big. So Marin, can you tell us which animals are big?
Elephant.
Elephant? Yes, that's right. I think Jack already crossed it out, but yes. Okay. Are there any other animals that might be big, Marin?
Sheep. Pig.
The pig? Yes, that is right. Good job, Marin. Okay, Jack, do you want to ask a question to Alyssa about her animal?
Yes. Is this animal gray?
Yes.
Okay, so let's choose animals that are not gray.
Cat.
The cat, yes. How about any other animals? I think there's one on the top row that is not gray. Yes, good job, Jack. Okay, so I'm gonna, oh, I think Estelle wants to ask a question.
Oh, okay, I'll ask a question. Alyssa, does your animal have 4 legs?
Yes.
Yes. Nope.
Good job. Okay, I'll ask the next question. Does your animal have a fluffy tail?
老师，我听不懂什么叫 fluffy tails。
哦，就是尾巴很毛茸茸的。Yes, it does have a fluffy tail. Okay, so we only have one animal left. So, Alyssa, is your animal the squirrel?
Yes.
Good job, everybody. We did it. Yay. Okay, we are now out of time. Thank you, everyone, for coming to our class. Please remember to do your homework. Okay, bye. Estelle, say
Bye.
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 See you next time.